everyone, welcome back. We're here to plan my classic Abby planner for the first week of May, which is the last couple days. Nope, it's just the first week of May. Okay, so let's get these pages out. And I did not get out the paper that I will use, so intermission while I do that, which will take no time at all for you. Okay. Ow! I hit my arm. Okay, so I got out this paper pad, and I'm going to use some of these. And the idea that I wrote down was like scrapbook quilt. So we're going to go with that idea and kind of like scrapbook in, use the scrapbook paper and like fill in the squares and kind of give it like a quilted look. Roughly. It's an idea in my head. It probably not translating, so you guys will just have to wait and see what it looks like to understand what I'm going for. And hopefully the idea that I'm going for actually turns out on the paper, or you won't know. Okay, it's really busy, with a lot of like stuff going on, but it is kind of like what I imagined. I wish I had like more boxes like that without making it too boxy. Like I want there to be, I don't know what I want, but, or just write on this paper, I guess, like lines on that paper that I could write on. I don't know, but it might blend in, but that's fine. It's not, it is really cute. It's just also really busy. Really like this side too. But yeah, so this is my spread. Sunday is Mother's Day. Also, I totally messed up that 3. It's backwards, but it's fine. You know, it happens. And the 6 and the 8 are like totally smudged. But it's okay. So that's what I have. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button and the little notification bell to get notified when I put out a new video. Thanks. Bye.